Hi guys, down Lake Hodges with Peanut, and got a knife I'm carrying today is a Sitivian, and this is the ST110 D2 steel with the axis lock. Pretty nice knife. These are about 28 bucks on Amazon right now. Nice shaped micarta handle, and it fits the fingers pretty nicely. It's no jimping, but it's alright. It feels good in the hand. We've got dual thumb studs, left and right. The pocket clip is right hand only. One thing I'm not keen on is the pocket clip has the raised screws, mushroom topped screws. So that's something I may change on this knife. Put some countersunk screws in there. Does have some lightning holes here on the steel lining, if you can see in there. What this knife does have is a nice shaped flat ground blade there, nice and slicey. Nice drop point to it, pokey and slicey, and the action on it is awesome. Drop shoddy. Get it just right. There you go. And the blade's, I think it's about 3.5 inches or just over. So it's a good sized knife, but not too heavy. I think it comes in about 4.4 ounces, somewhere around there. I'll put Amazon links down below as usual, and you can see the extra details and get yourself one if it takes your fancy. Alright, just a quickie while we're down here at the lake, and so we're having a nice day down here. Catch you later guys.